Hello, I am here to present project which is Filipino accessories. But first, let me introduce where I got the idea for my accessory. It's the Bagobo Tribe. The Bagobo constitute one of the largest groups among the indigenous peoples of southern Mindanao. They are referred to as ethnic because they are people whose distinctive identity is rooted in history. So they can be found in the southern eastern of Mindanao. And the accessory that I made is the decorative comb. So the comb is handmade of turtle shell. Cotton tassels are decorated with beads and small brass bells. So the dimensions of the comb is its width is 12 centimeters and its height is 4.3 centimeters. The tassels are varying in length to 7 centimeters to 32 centimeters. The bell's diameter is from 0.9 centimeters to 1.3 centimeters. So this is what it looks like when worn. So the materials I use to make a decorative comb is some old headband, paintbrush, paint, used beads, thread and needle, and a glue gun. Now I'll show you how I made the decorative comb. So this is the outcome of my accessory. So that's all, and thank you for watching my presentation.